like, oh.
She said it was dirty because he was on the grass. So.
Oh my God, she's like a little.
The one.
Gloglo, si me la regalas, la hago gordita como Coco.
Oh my God.
¿Como quién?
Coco.
I don't want to give it a kiss. I was going to say something.
Ah, no. Es macho.
Okay.
Oh,
But I bought her dresses.
le compró vestido.
¿Sí?
Let me see.
Ah, es eso.
Yeah, it's macho.
Es hembra, ¿no?
Escúchame.
Look, it's macho.
Oh, no, sí
Ah,
es macho,
¿verdad?
sí es macho.
Le compró cosas de
We
mujer.
thought
es
she was a
cierto.
girl, so I don't know why she was a girl, but
No, este está bonito. Toma, ponle.
Ay, ya, pero
Wait,
sí.
Ah, que trajo ropa, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Eres bebé?
Ah,
Salió.
Le gustó.
a mí me la dieron hembra.
Ya.
¿Ya? Y sí, parecía hembra.
Ajá.
Y pasando los días, le creció 2 bolas.
Ya.
Y es macho.
Okay, wait, do you understand that?
Yeah, you saw 2 balls and it's a man.
No. But like, okay, when he bought it, it was listed as a female cat,
but he put
and then
the
one day
balls.
her balls dropped. So it's actually a boy.
Sí.
Well, I bought him